Hi, this is Yugendar. I work for a private firm as a software engineer. Yeah. So my wife actually showed me through Instagram ad. That's how I got to know about this Brio Elevators. Overall experience with the Brio Elevators has been outstanding, and the kind of professionalism and the kind of seamless approach which they displayed is very impressive. Yeah. So it was very personalized, and it's a thoughtful approach what they have provided for me. Of course, very satisfied. The kind of professionalism and promptness which they showcased was very impressive. So definitely impressive. There is this guy called Afas who actually understood my requirement. He looked at the aesthetics of my entire home, and then suggested me the right, the right system into place for me. The best part is delivering the entire interiors, or the requirement for a house is very key aspect. They were very timely manner, and I didn't have to be involved at all. They just gave me the daily updates and then ensured it was delivered on time for me. Yeah, without hesitation, I highly recommend these elevator systems for my friends and extended families, for sure. I mean, the reason being, it's a customer-friendly approach and timely delivery. These are the two factors for anybody to, Okay, so maybe a 9 out of 10. It was very friendly interaction which I had in the first instance itself. The team was very knowledgeable, and they understood my requirement, and it was easy. The entire process was very easy. Honestly, nothing comes major into my mind, but just have to suggest keep maintaining the same approach of handling the customers. With Brio Elevators, the sophistication isn't installed, it's experienced.